in touch with the government regarding Air India meetings. The Tourism Secretary and Chief Secretary tried contacting the chairman of Air India, but he's out of the country. But today, I think they are meeting in Delhi. They're meeting some other officials of Air India. GTDC, MEA and others have gone, and Tourism Secretary have gone to Delhi to receive the awards, and today they would be meeting Air India officials. So let's hope. There has been some news about 2 flights starting from Manchester to Goa, but I don't think they are trying, but nothing has been finalized so far. Many of these new ventures were started by GTDC. Unfortunately, some of them ran into red tape. Like for example, the amphibious vehicle. Permissions were not being granted immediately. The contractor finally got fed up and he stopped. Although some buses were ready, they were not getting the government permission. Similarly, there are many other such ventures that have either been opposed by the locals, like the helicopter service, the ropeway. It's sometimes opposed by the locals, and sometimes it's the government departments who are creating problems. It's time that the CM, the new Chief Minister, brings all these government departments to the table and sorts out these issues. Because it's just a problem of one government department creating a problem for another government department. And if this can be sorted out, many more ventures could come up. Today is World Tourism Day, and the theme is jobs for all and tourism for all. I think this is my request to the youth and to the youngsters is to take advantage of the tourism opportunities available. Be creative and come up with new ventures, new startups, new ideas. There is a lot of scope in tourism, but you require some hard work and dedication. Regarding the season is coming season may not be as good as we were expecting, because Thomas Cook has backed out. We're having a problem with the airport authorities regarding another British slot, and Russian business also is a bit down. So let's hope that things improve. We're looking at new destinations. One good news is that Israeli charter is coming in, so that would be, and I'm told that the bookings are pretty good, so that would be an advantage. And now we also understand that the government is trying to find an alternative to Thomas Cook. We hope and wish the government all the best and hope they succeed.